Hey there, my friends. Look at this all-in-one kitchen set for all you black cat lovers. Now, this is going to have everything included to spruce up your kitchen. You're going to have two kitchen mats here down on the floor. One's a long one and one's a regular size mat. And I love these mats, right? And then along with these mats, you're going to get four different kitchen towels with different sayings on it about your black cat. And then not only are you going to get the rugs, not only are you going to get the towels, but you're also going to get two of these pot holders here, and then also two of these pot holder gloves. This is that whole kitchen set that's going to spruce it up for my black cat lovers. So right off the bat, let me tell you that they sent this to me as a gift because we love black cats in this house and we can't get enough of them, right? So a little bit about me. Our first cat that we got was a black cat and we fell in love with her, right? Her name is Junie. So now everything that we get has to have a black cat on it. And this kitchen set here is amazing. So I was completely impressed when I got that box and I opened it up because that's really when I seen everything that was included inside of it, but I also seen how high quality this was. I unwrapped those kitchen rugs, those kitchen mats, and I love the bottom of it. It's got a little gripper on it that's going to hold it in place, but the thing that I love the most is the design of these cartoon black cats on it. You got a bunch of different cats on here with some of those fish bones and a fish, and you got the little cat peeking up out you. You got the little cat with the little horns on it. You know what I mean? You got the playful cat with the tail up in the air. You have it all included in these rugs. And now these kitchen towels here are fantastic as well. I love the way that they feel, and they're perfect for a kitchen. They're going to soak up some spills if you spill some water, you know what I mean? Or it's going to be perfect just to put right here on the front of your oven to give you that decor that you needed. Now, you got some in here that say, oh, in this house, cat here is a condiment. Is that funny? You know what I mean? Life is better with a cat. And of course, a black cat. Yeah. And then look, all you need is a cat with some love. Doo doo, doo doo. And then you also got this one right here. I do what I want. Now that's my cat Junie right there because she does what she wants whenever she wants, right? And then I'm also impressed here with these pot holders. It's going to have that image on both sides. It's a nice thick pot holder, and you're going to be able to pull out Dutch ovens and pans, and you're not going to burn your paws when you're using these, I tell you. So these are great, and I love it has the little hoops on them, so you can go ahead and hang these up throughout your kitchen and just give that decor, you know, that spruce that it needs. And then the gloves. My kids love when they come in the kitchen and they see me having these gloves on. That either means I'm, putting a skillet together with an omelet or I'm pulling out a batch of cookie out of the oven. These are amazing. And they're also nice and thick, just like those pot holders. You're not gonna burn your paws on these, I tell you. And they also have those hoops so you can hang these up as well. So not only are these, just mandatory pieces for the kitchen, but you're also gonna hang all of it up and just show it off to your friends. You're gonna be the talk of the town when your cat loving friends come over and see all that black cat love that you have going on in your kitchen. So all in all, if you're looking to spruce up your kitchen, this set right here is definitely going to be the route to go. It's going to have everything black cat related that you need to wow up your kitchen. So all in all, this is just fantastic.